name is Veiko, and today we are looking what is inside this B.O.S. What you get when you start your business, less than 50 euros. And let's open it. It's like opening a new, I don't know, Apple computer. Now it's white box. Let's see. Welcome letter from the owners. Then it's getting started guide. Then you get, we have this one. It's Discover Ariix. It's more details about company compensation plan, bill of rights, seal of approval, tools, awards, founders club, wellness council, all details about Ariix company. Maybe you have listened already what is these things. And now there is Ariix products, and this catalog is all about products what we have in Ariix, like oils, B.O.S, Standardize, MOA, Nutrify, so on. And then another selling through sharing, and this is the guide how is the easiest way to share the information with people, step by step how to share the Ariix products, and 8 ways to earn with Ariix. This is more details about compensation plan, how to get activate, how to stay activate, and business levels, so on, base commissions, matching bonus, and so on. And in the bottom we have a small box from Ariix. In this box you have examples of some of the Ariix products. There is 2 MOA pouches, Revives shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then B.O.S night cream, and dark spot correctoring and dark spot correctoring, 2 of them. Also some stickers with Ariix logo, and more information about MOA details, and Revive products. Oh, and also B.O.S. This is like information about the example, and that's it. This is what you get when you start with B.O.S. All these 5 catalogs and example products and welcome letter from the owners.